have not seen too often at Unique, especially in classics. Check this one out. 1931 Pontiac Series 401 Fine 6. Two-door, four-passenger coupe, so it has the rumble seat. 200 cubic inch L-head inline six-cylinder underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Now, this vehicle has been restored. There's actually a box of information that's going to go with it that does have a shop manual. There's some pictures during the restoration. There's some paint sample cards, miscellaneous receipts and paperwork. And you'll see some of that in the still pictures. Speaking of the still pictures, you'll be able to see this car from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at the condition of the chrome bumper up front. Of course, the grille, dual headlights mounted, Pontiac emblem, as well as radiator cap, chrome and bright work, looking good up front on this one. Very interesting car, you just don't see every day. Spoked wheels. Kind of neat too in the information that goes along with this, like the miscellaneous receipts and shop manual and that stuff I was talking about. The paint sample cards. This would be very similar to a Canyon Brown and Newport Brown two-tone vehicle. And it actually has the formulas for mixing the paint. And they're the real deal. One's from back in 31. Of course, the Fisher body plate. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. That interior with the mohair look bench seat. We'll get around to the driver's side. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Sorry about the noise in the background, but our detail department's over there working diligently to get some more cars through so we can do the videos, get them pictured up and listed on our website. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And as you can see, the paint shows well on it. Is it perfect? No, it is a little older restoration, but it has held up well and still shows well. Of course, the rumble seat, Lionel bench back there. Also, how fun would this be for parades? Throwing a little candy out. And like I said, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look down the driver's side of this car. Now, if you're into these, well, say 1930 and 40s classic cars, maybe you're into street rods, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I've said it before in other videos, you never know what you may see come through here, and here's a prime example of that. Just don't see these every day. So we'll go ahead and subscribe to that YouTube channel. If you're into cars in general, you know, I just mute it so you don't have to listen to me and you just look at the cars. All right, let's check out this interior. Door panels look good, matching the fabric of the seat. Like I said, it's got that mohair feel to it. This car's still looking very authentic, even after the restoration, how it would have been back in 1931. All right. Let's check out this dash, some things in this interior. So it even has a heater, and it looked like the heater hoses were hooked up. Of course, your light switch right here. You can see that. Gauges. Turn the key on. You're gonna have a push start with your foot down here. We have a choke here. Not gonna really need that out much. We're indoors. Let's see. That's how easy it is to fire it up. Again, 200 cubic inch L-head inline six-cylinder, 3-speed manual transmission. Oil pressure gauge appears to be working. There's a fuel gauge, or gasoline, amp meter. Check this out too. I want to show you this. Yeah, single windshield wiper up here. Move this little switch right there. Look at that. Wiper working. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Maybe. Slip around to this side. Pretty smooth. Wow. We'll take a peek under the hood too because I want to show you something. There is a gas shut-off switch. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to pop one of the sides of this hood so I can show you the engine bay. Stick around to the very end. We're going to take this car for a drive. It's going to be fun. All right, there we go. So we got one of the hood panels open. Open this side so I can show you a few things. Of course, the exhaust manifold, carburation. This little red knob down here. That's your gas shut off. Turn it to the right, shuts it off. To the left, opens it up. So I want to make you aware of that. Listen and look at how smooth that runs. Pretty cool. Look at that chrome and bright work. And again, you just do not see these every day. 1931 Pontiac Series 401 Fine 6. Two-door, 4-passenger coupe, rumble seat car. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1931 Pontiac Coupe. Looking good in a tan color with darker fenders. This is a 3-speed manual on the floor. Clutch feels good. Car runs really good. Started up nicely. I just choked it a little bit. Once it popped, let the choke off and hit the throttle, and she's ready to go. Speedometer right here appears to be working. We're doing 30 miles an hour. Oil pressure just under 30. The amps are working. When we're idling, they're right in the middle, and they're showing 12 volts right now. Fuel gauge also working just under a quarter of a tank. The wiper works as well. Nice looking cloth door panels and seats. I'm keeping her around 30. It seems to like it at that speed. Pontiac, you don't see near as many as you do Fords, that's for sure. The headliner also looking good. Our brakes are working well. Of course, we got the one car coming down the road while we're hitting the roundabout here, and they're stopping for nobody. All right, here we go again. Corners very nicely. The stability of these cars, there isn't a whole lot of leaning going on. It is nice cornering. car. Those big chrome headlights looking beautiful up on the front end. It's just a fun car to drive, a 1931 Pontiac Coupe. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.